Electric can openers save your hand and wrist from doing all the work when you need to open a can of soup, sauce, vegetables, or other ingredients for meals. Electric can openers come in battery-powered and corded versions, both of which use their power to turn the can and work the blade quickly around the lid to open the can in a convenient, hands-free way. We reviewed dozens of electric can openers to identify the best of the best. In our search, we looked for can openers that are super easy to use, safe, and provide good value with their features. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I recommend 5 best electric can opener on Amazon 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the SCHMITT brand. The blade of can opener cuts along the side of the lid. It cuts cans 360 degrees without touching the food inside. Guaranteed to leave no sharp cuts, making you safe every time you use. Open your cans automatically at the touch of a button. Only need to press the button of the can opener and it will automatically operate. Opens any tin or can quickly. Saves on your energy and time. Even children can easily use electric can opener. Electric automatic can opener cuts off the lid with rounded edges. You just need press a button of battery-operated can opener. It will start operating and after finishing it will automatically stop operation. Perfect for left-handed people, disabled people, and individuals with arthritis or hand pain. Requires no manual labor. 4 AA batteries makes for optimal operation. You can use it for a long term. The portable design makes electric can opener more easy to store in a drawer or backpack. SCHMITT can opener suitable for various circular metal cans. Professional electric can opener is a practical kitchen gadget. Battery-operated can opener can be a great gift for elders, women, parents, family members, friends, and those who suffers hand pain or arthritis. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the FAN brand. The electric can opener automatically cuts the can 360 degrees along the can lid, leaving no sharp edges, which makes cutting safer than regular opener. Electric can opener perfects for almost all size of cans, a great help for kitchen. Powered by 2 AA batteries, freeing your hands during any can opening process, you don't need to waste time and effort opening the cans. The battery can be easily replaced by simply flipping the groove on the rear. Small streamlined body gives you a comfortable handle, easy to operate. Perfect for individuals with arthritis or hand pain, requires no manual labor or strenuous squeezing. Professional and safe electric can opener is an ideal kitchen gadget. It is a great gift for your parents, friends, family members, or elders. This electric can opener is easy to disassemble, easy to clean, compact size, saves space, can be placed in drawers and other places, portable for outdoor use. Wipe with a damp cloth to clean, please note that do not rinse the battery part. Number 3 in our top is from the SCHMITT brand. Electric can opener using the latest technology, by releasing the pressure inside the can open the lid, you can open most can by just pressing a button. It cuts the can 360 degrees along the cap and stops by pressing the button. Electric can opener blade cuts along the side of the cup lid without leaving sharp edges, which means safer cutting and does not touch the food in the cap, which is safe for people and food. Electric can opener has an ergonomic lever, which is very comfortable to hold. It can use for people suffering from arthritis or hand pain. It does not require manual labor and is of great help to people with challenges. After inserting 2 batteries, press the independent button, and the electric can opener starts to walk around the can automatically. The electric can opener is an ideal tool for all restaurants and picnics, saving your energy and time. Suitable for the elderly, women, patients with diseases, and weak children. Good gifts for relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the ChefVille brand. Unlike traditional can openers which pierce into the body of the can to brutally cut down the entire lid of it and only leave a sharp edge, ChefVille electric can opener developed a new way of opening the cans from the lid. It would keep part of the lid after opening the cans to leave a smooth edge at the same time. You don't have to worry that any metal filings would come into your food. This electric can opener is made of sturdy ABS plastic and it is designed with a piece of no-slip rubber on the housing. So the electric can opener would feel terribly comfortable in your hand. ChefVille electric can opener is invented thoughtfully. It actually helps you save your time. Just press the button and you can go on cooking your meals, no need to wait for it to stop. When you come back after seconds, you will find a nicely open can. This electric can opener is perfect for almost all size of kana. Don't worry that it won't work on your cans. The number 1 product is part of the POHL brand. At POHL we pride ourselves on making only the best quality products, designed to function properly and also last. With a heavy-duty motor, stable footprint which stays put during operation and a strong easy push-down lever handle, this can opener will handle everything with ease for years to come. Not just a superb electric can opener, but with built-in features like a knife sharpener and bottle opener, this appliance will eliminate clutter. Also has hidden built-in cord storage to keep countertops and cabinets clutter-free. Built-in magnet hangs onto the lid after cutting and helps you lift the lid off the can for safe and hands-free disposal, keeping your fingers safe. Easily rinse off the cutting unit as needed. Opens pop-top and regular cans, so no need to struggle with or handle sharp and messy pop-top lids any longer. Which electric can opener would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.